going to teach you today a little bit about the periodic chart. The periodic chart is the alphabet of all matter, and I'd like for you to keep that in mind. All matter, whether it's liquid, solid, gas, or plasma, is made up of this alphabet. If you think about it, we have 26 letters in our alphabet, but we have thousands of words in our English language. Well, those words are made up of combinations of the letters in our alphabet. Just like compounds and molecules are made up of different combinations of these elements. Let me show you what I mean. This periodic chart will tell you the atomic number and the atomic mass, the name of the element, and the abbreviation of all of these elements. The reason that this periodic chart is colored differently, we have noble gases, we have alkali metals, alkali earth metals, we have transition metals, we have metalloids, and those different colors will point that out. Now then, I'm going to build an atom model. A model is a representation of something that cannot be seen. It's just a model. And I already know that atoms are made of three tiny little particles. One is a positively charged proton. One is a negatively charged electron. And one is a neutral neutron. All right? And I'm going to start with number 8 on the periodic chart, and you don't have to get close up, but if you have a periodic chart at home and you want to use it, feel free. All right, this number 8 tells me, and I'm going to lay this down so you can see all of this on my board, that number tells me that I have 8 positive protons in the nucleus of my atom. Here's 3, here's 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now then, and I didn't quite make my nucleus big enough, but you get the idea. Because now I'm going to have to add the neutrons. Remember, the protons are positive, the neutrons are neutral. So neutrons have no charge. So I'm going to, again, dealing with number 8. Number 8 also has the number 16 in the box. That gives me my atomic mass. So if I add the neutrons and the protons together, I will get the atomic mass. So here we go. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need one more neutron. And remember, we have red positive protons. We have white neutral neutrons. And then we need one more particle. The third particle is an electron. And the electrons go around the outside of the atom in different shells or different levels. Sometimes they're referred to as K levels or L levels. Sometimes they're referred to as electron cloud. But you'll hear this name a lot. Now then, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 protons, I'm going to start using 1, 2, 3, 4, let's put this up here, 4, 5, 6, 7, we lost an electron, 8 electrons. Now, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 electrons. Now, if you'll notice, there are empty spots in this level. Okay? They're not filled. So this is not a really happy atom. It's stable. Okay? And it has the same number of protons, neutrons, and electrons, but chances are pretty good it's not going to stay like this. It's going to want to put an electron in these two places. So therefore, let's see what can join it. I'm going to go back to the periodic chart, and I'm going to look at number 1. Number 1, if you're looking at your periodic chart at home, number 1 has 1 proton. Therefore, it's going to have 1 little electron. And let's build another one. I've got 1 proton. Again, another hydrogen. And I'm going to put a 1 electron in the outer shell. Now remember, these shells are not full, so they're just not going to stay that way. Let me show you what happens, and it happens all the time, and it is so perfect, okay? Our world was designed perfectly. The more we learn about it, the more perfect it becomes. Okay, so this is not going to stay like this. And remember, this is oxygen, and this is hydrogen, 2 molecules of hydrogen. So what happens is, this little electron gets shared, this scoots up here, this little electron gets shared, and this scoots up here, and we have a molecule of H2O, which is water. Thank you very much.